Hello everyone. So I hope you tried out the puzzle which we given you. So today what we're going to do is we're going to create the whole puzzle rather than we gave you a small one, right? So today we're going to make a bigger one. Okay, and this is the drawing which we come up with. Just this one. And okay, hope you can see this. Can you just explain what is it?
Um, our character will be here. We have to go to the endpoint, which is at the bottom right. So, as you can see here, there are two parts of comment. So, one of the parts will block it with coronavirus. So, you have to choose the other one. So, the actual part will be coming from there. As soon as you come here, instead of choosing this part, you should choose that part. Because here it will block it with coronavirus at the end. So, after you come here, the game will end after you touch this point.
Okay, so this is the base diagram. So if you want, you can take a paper and a pen, you can draw this down as well. Or else this is just our reference. Even you can draw your own puzzle. It doesn't mean that you have to do this exactly. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to design this one, and it's going to be a fast track one. So just follow up with us. And Kanik, can you just go ahead? So the first, you have to remove the previous background that you already done. Okay, so you have to remove this. So go to costumes and remove the background. So now we have removed the old one. So what we're going to do is we're gonna go ahead and create the new puzzle. Okay, go ahead. First and foremost, you have to reduce the size of the cat. Okay, you can see it's a little bit bigger, right? So you have to click on the cat, or it may be on spread one name spread on YouTube on yours. You just click on that, and here you can see the size, right? Just reduce it to maybe 50.
Yeah.
Okay, reduce it as 50. Okay, so it goes a little bit smaller, so that we can have a bigger space to work on. Okay, so now we just have to draw. Okay, so the same way, simple, just click on the line and make sure the outline is about 25 pixels, so it will be easy for you. Now he's drawing. So actually, see, here's a small tip also you can try. Here, if you click this arrow, it will be helpful for you to move. Okay, you can move this now. What are the lines you're drawing, right? So if you want to erase, you can use this eraser to erase lines if you don't want. And this is the brush, paint brush. You can draw by hand, okay? But usually we use lines because it gives us straight lines. That's why we use lines, okay? So now here, as soon as sometimes what happens is that while drawing, the cat may be in a different position. If you want to bring it to the original position, all you have to do is you have to press the flag type. It will come to the starting position. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're done with this, and we're going to try and navigate through the process. Okay. So now we'll try it out. Okay. We're going back to the codes. Okay. So the cat is here. We'll try it out. Okay. If you click that one, it comes like a big screen. Okay.
Yes, full screen.
Now we'll try. So it's slowly moving. If sometimes, see here it is a little bit tight, right? It cannot go through. Okay, so what we have to do is you have to go back to the costumes. Okay, and again a little bit change it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this a little bit spacious for the cat to easily move. Sometimes this will be there if you click it, and you have to click it outside so that it is not selected while this movement is there. Okay. So let's see again once more. Slowly we are moving. Kanik, you want to try? Yeah. Okay, Kanik is going to try. You'll see. Okay, good. So he has reached the end. Okay, so next what we're going to do is probably in the next video, you might have seen while playing it was a little bit boring for us. Okay, the next one we're going to add some music to the game, and it's going to give a full fun twist kind of stuff. And also, as soon as the cat reaches the end, it has to go to another level 2. Okay, so that's what we're going to do in the next video. And I hope you can try this puzzle as well. And just send us if you do have a WhatsApp number. If you can try different this one different puzzles, do send us your puzzles, and even we can post it on our Facebook, and we'll show your work on the next video as well. Okay, so we'll meet you in the next video. Okay, bye.
Bye.